Hi and welcome to another Matt's Gadgets video. Now the BlitzWolf BW-PCM2L is a 13.3 inch Full HD 1080p portable computer monitor. Now this is suitable for smartphones, laptops and gaming consoles, providing a second high resolution screen. Now the 13.3 inch IPS panel has a 1000:1 ultra high contrast ratio, and along with its 178-degree viewing angle makes it an ideal portable monitor. A screen refresh rate of up to 60 Hz also makes the gaming experience feel really professional. To add to the great image specification, this screen only weighs a mere 650 grams, making it one of the lightest portable screens available today. Included accessories include a standard HDMI cable, along with a USB to USB-C cable, a USB-C HD multimedia cable for connecting between supported video devices like a MacBook or Android phone with the supported video output, and of course the mains power brick, which has a USB-C output. Incidentally, the required power specifications are 5 volts at 3 amps, so make sure that you have a decent power supply if you're not using the one included. Of course, the BlitzWolf BW-PCM2L can be powered directly from the USB source, making it truly portable. A neat little protective case is also provided to keep that screen clean and dust-free when not in use. Now this is a soft case, so make sure that you're extra careful. Now down the left side of the screen we find an HDMI input, a HD multimedia USB-C input, a standard USB-C socket for power, which also supports reverse charging. Also, a 3.5mm headphone socket is included, which of course can be used instead of the inbuilt stereo speakers, which actually sound really good. Down the right hand side we find the volume control, which also allows for input selection and screen brightness adjustment. The USB-A socket is for connecting other peripherals. For example, you can charge your controller from this port. On the rear we find a neat little pull-out stand, allowing the user to choose the angle at which the display is facing them. Now this has a nice solid feel and it supports the screen with ease. Just don't forget to push it back in when you're finished. Now the whole screen measures just 360mm by 184mm, with the screen thickness coming in at just 5mm on that thinnest top part. Now if you like the look of this screen, or if you even have one, then let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'll be sure to leave a link so you can check out where I purchased this amazing portable monitor from by BlitzWolf. If you've got any questions, feel free to pop them down below and I'll be sure to answer them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.